New bike day, guys. Welcome to a new video. I said it the wrong way around. I was going to say welcome to a new video, guys. It's new bike day today. So gassed. This is crazy. Oh, maybe I'll go a different way actually. I always see Augusto go this way. Nah, I don't know it. That's the rule of Brazil, guys. Don't go where you don't know. Look at that. Shit. Look at that area. It's crazy. No offense to the people living there, but it doesn't look like a place where gringos should be going. I'm not noticing that lag today, guys. Maybe it's because the fuel's burnt off. I know he said it literally could be the bad fuel. And if we go back to the other video, that guy who I thought was just dribbling everywhere. Yeah.
Yes, wrong have room, yes.
Tenji. It'll
because you just don't have one your body, your water.
Your motorbike's gonna not perform properly because of the fuel mixture. I went the wrong way. Right, here we are. It is so hot. Flipping hell. I'm still waiting for this remap, guys. I'm gonna message the guy again. Nova moto aqui? Nova moto? Nah.
Casa. Eu vou óleo novo.
Novo óleo? Hoje?
Hoje, agora. 4 horas bom. 3 horas, 4 horas bom.
What, depois?
Yeah, depois grau.
Alright, just met Augusto, guys, and there's a change of plan. Slight change of plan. His mate's taking long because he left his helmet at his mate's from an event. So I'm gonna go grab my other one and put him on the back of the bike, take him to his bike. Then we gotta go to a shop. Guys, just stay tuned for the vlog because we've got a bike reveal coming up. But we also got a lot of shit to do at the same time, so stay tuned. Vamos. Oh my days! Tu muito grande.
Yeah.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Muito gordo. Augusto the fatty is on the bike. Oh my days! Oh, hold on. Meu óculos. No, meu óculos.
Muito sol.
Oh no, meu óculos gone. Eu
Sol.
lost. I lost them. Sorry, Mr. Braps. No!
Perdeu.
Huh?
Nada, não.
Nada. Meu óculos.
Shit.
Onde?
Head.
Huh?
Tudo head.
Right, I've got a Brazilian on the back of the bike, guys. And yeah, we gotta go collect this new motorcycle which has no fuel in it, and then we gotta push it to the nearest gas station. So yeah, I didn't think a bike reveal video would be going like this. Bit of passenger work in the middle of Brazil. What's going on? Aqui? Oh shit.
A few moments later.
Right, guys, here we are. He's gonna got himself an XJ6, which is like the Brazilian special. Apparently this is better for wheelies than that. I don't know how that works, but out in Brazil, everywhere you think is the opposite. So yeah, being in Brazil, I've grown a liking to these. The soundtrack to them's crazy. And yeah, these lot, when they throw them to 12 o'clock, is mental. The way these lot ride them is, it'll blow your mind. So yeah, guys, I'm gassed. Melhor grau, melhor moto. Entendi?
Melhor grau, melhor velocidade.
Sim, yeah, muito bom. Eu mais gosto essa, mais melhor grau. Entendi? Pretty much, I'm saying whichever bike he can ride better is the best bike. Whichever bike wheelies better is a better bike, because you don't want a bike that is, the way you want to ride it is hard work. The MT09 is obviously an amazing bike, and people can wheelie them like crazy, but they're a hard bike. They are actually difficult to ride, especially the way these are ride them. And do you want a bike that you're gonna be on every day to be that difficult to do the one thing that you love to do on them? So it makes more sense to go with this. More energy, more madness. Anyway, let's continue with the video. Nearly forgot, guys. We need the start video, the cold start. Is it even gonna start? Huh? Boom. Oh, no gasolina. Boom. Boom. Oh shit. Ooh. It's got the exhaust in it at the moment. It must be like their modded stock exhaust, but that's clean though. Hey, thumbnail. Right, we gotta get to a petrol station and quick, guys. Oh. Oh, please make it there. I don't want a Brazilian special. As soon as we go around the corner, please. And he's got no mirrors on his flipping bike. Policia, boom! Primeiro, boom, policia. Policia no carro.
No.
Nah, no carro. They're not in the car. Right, I've got to test this common gasolina out. Oh, look at all that gravel. God, this is pretty mad. I ain't done this. Big bikes through this Brazil city. Ah, shit. Yeah, nah. This is gonna be a crazy season. Guys, subscribe to the channel if you want to support me out here in Brazil, because life's impossible. Subscribe, you can join the channel, I'll try to build that. You can also subscribe to my Instagram for 99p a month. I'm doing giveaways, whatever, anything to support me, guys. It'll allow me to give back to the community out here as well, and invest the money into traveling and exploring other areas of the bike life out here, different cities. Also check out braplife.co.uk, because that is also another way you can support me and get yourself some good clothing. Top.
Oh, muito melhor.
4 cylinders gonna be way more smooth than that triple. That triple kicks in hard. Mais fácil? Ah, okay. It looks way more nimble. Boom, 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 boom. Ah, boom. We're just on the way to Moto Parts, which is a shop out here. Just like yeah, they got clothing and that. I don't know where the f is he going? Fácil. Say easy. He's gonna lift it, pull clutch, and kick it in neutral and be hand dragging soon enough. Like, when you see these guys ride out here, it's so like unbelievable what these guys do, and they do it so effortlessly. I hope he's going left. Where the fuck is he taking me? Alright, just checking I'm recording. I might have to two-part this video, guys. I'm gonna keep you with me until we get to the place, but actually, no, you know what? Let me know, guys. I'm gonna keep it as one video. You let me know by commenting if you like the longer videos or you'd rather them in parts. Yeah, this is gonna be mad. I've gotta learn this style, guys. I'm just gonna like make sure I'm spending time. Obviously, I'm gonna be spending time around it, but you know, these turtles. Oh, this guy's got his right indicator on. God. I've never been on one of them. Do we even have them in England? We must have, surely. They're a Brazil Hall of Famer though. They flipping love them bikes out here. Yeah? Bom. Bom. God, the inconsistency on some of these roads. Just like the UK though, boys, isn't it? I know it's somewhere you're. I want to see some good content coming out from the UK. He's gone flying straight past it again. I don't know why he goes that way. He goes all, all the way down there to spin around and come back down this way. Maybe this is why. Maybe he's gonna beat me actually. This is taking long. Oh, I can't see the light. He's actually blocking the light. Oh, he's here. What the f? Loco. Yeah, it's Hey, tu, Augusto. Gosto mole pra você. Oi, eu na frente. Oh, guys, I don't want to interrupt the guy because he's on the phone, but come my head's a fresh GS 1250. That can't be the new 1300, can it? 1250. I can't tell without seeing the headlight, but these bikes are fucking lovely. But yeah, guys, I need a drink. I'm gonna finish this part of the video here, and we're gonna continue with part 2 after. I think we might go to the strip, start lifting the front wheel. He's just getting an oil change and a plate eliminator on there, whatever, a tail tidy. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. Subscribe.